All right, so if you're tired of doing the same tasks again and again, yeah, you're gonna like this. In this video, I'll show you how to actually automate your work using Perplexity AI in 2026. First, quick idea. Perplexity is like a smarter search engine. It gives you direct answers, summaries, and sources, which makes it perfect for automating research and repetitive tasks. Step one, figure out what you're doing repeatedly. Things like research, content ideas, data collection, or summaries. These are the easiest to automate. Next, use smart prompts. Instead of basic questions, ask detailed instructions. So Perplexity gives you structured, ready-to-use results. You can automate content creation, like blog outlines, scripts, emails, or posts, without starting from scratch every time. Another big one, research automation. Instead of checking multiple websites, Perplexity summarizes everything in one place, saving you hours. To take it further, combine Perplexity with other tools, so like writing apps or schedulers, so your workflow becomes semi-automatic. Once your system is ready, you can repeat the process faster, handle more work, and scale without increasing your effort. So yeah, Perplexity isn't just for searching. It's a powerful tool to automate your work if you use it smart. Start small, automate step by step, and build your system over time. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more useful guides coming soon.